How to get Temu credit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can basically get Temu credits, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to get credits on Temu, it's actually quite simple to figure this out, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then basically go to temu.com. First of all, let us discuss what are credits on Temu. So currently, if I just go to a certain checkout page of a product, right here you can see credit balance, and my credit balance is $0.2. And how do you increase your credit balance? Well, credit balance can actually be increased if you shop more and more on Temu. So the more you use Temu, the more you refer friends, it means that you're a loyal customer to them, and then they will increase your credit balance automatically for you, and you'll also be able to get a certain amount of money depending upon it. As you can see, credit balance option, and then you'll be able to go ahead and increase your credit balance accordingly over here. So hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and then basically get your credit on Temu. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.